Welcome to this deep dive into the world of deep learning frameworks, where we'll explore the key differences and similarities between Keras and TensorFlow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced AI enthusiast, this guide will help you decide which framework suits your needs. Let's get started. Deep learning has transformed industries like healthcare, finance, and entertainment, and at the heart of it are frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras. But what sets them apart? TensorFlow, developed by Google, is one of the most powerful and widely used deep learning frameworks. Its versatility allows developers to create scalable machine learning models for everything from small applications to massive production-level systems. Keras, on the other hand, started as an independent, high-level API designed for building deep learning models. In 2017, it became integrated into TensorFlow, making it an official API. The key difference lies in abstraction. TensorFlow is low-level, offering developers more control and flexibility. Keras is high-level, designed to be user-friendly and easy to learn, making it ideal for beginners. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine you want to build a neural network. With TensorFlow, you'll need to define the computational graph, specify operations, and handle tensors. This gives you control but can be overwhelming for beginners. In contrast, Keras simplifies the process. You can build the same model in just a few lines of code, thanks to its intuitive API. It's like choosing between assembling a car from scratch versus customizing a pre-built model. Performance is another important consideration. TensorFlow is optimized for speed and scalability. It supports distributed training, allowing you to train massive models on clusters of GPUs or TPUs. Keras, being high-level, might sacrifice some performance. However, since it runs on top of TensorFlow, you can still leverage TensorFlow's power while enjoying Keras's simplicity. To highlight the difference, think of TensorFlow as a professional-grade DSLR camera, giving you full control over every setting. Keras, in comparison, is like a smartphone camera, easy to use with impressive results but less control over finer details. One key advantage of TensorFlow is its extensive ecosystem. It includes tools like TensorBoard for visualization, TensorFlow Lite for mobile applications, and TensorFlow.js for deploying models in web browsers. Keras doesn't have its own ecosystem but benefits from being integrated into TensorFlow. This means you can still use all of TensorFlow's tools while enjoying Keras's simplicity. Let's talk about community support. TensorFlow has a massive user base, with countless tutorials, courses, and forums available online. Keras also has excellent documentation and a strong community, especially for those just starting with deep learning. Both frameworks support Python, the go-to language for AI development. TensorFlow also supports other languages like C++ and JavaScript, giving it an edge for developers building cross-platform solutions. Now, let's address a common question: which one should you choose? If you're new to deep learning, Keras is the way to go. Its simplicity will help you focus on learning core concepts without getting bogged down by complex code. For experienced developers or those working on large-scale projects, TensorFlow offers the control and scalability needed to build custom, high-performance models. Let's illustrate this with a real-world example. Suppose you're building a basic image classifier. Keras is perfect for quickly prototyping your model. But if you're working on a self-driving car system, TensorFlow's advanced features and scalability become essential. Both frameworks have been used to create some of the most impressive AI systems. TensorFlow powered Google's AlphaGo, which defeated world champions in the game of Go. Keras, meanwhile, has been widely adopted in academia for research and teaching. In conclusion, there's no definitive winner. The choice between Keras and TensorFlow depends on your goals, experience, and the scale of your project. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Keras and TensorFlow. We hope this guide has helped clarify their strengths and use cases. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI and deep learning.